Here's everything that came in the box. It sounds like there's some stuff inside here. I'm gonna open that up and see what that's all about. But this is from Anbull, and the model number is CUF6011. And it comes for directions for the 005 and the 011, and we have the 011. All right, with the package here comes the directions and how it all goes together there. Here's some of the accessories that came with it. This looks like the fountain assembly itself. And this, we'll see what this is all about. Get this open, you just flip up these blue tabs there. There's the filter. And this here, I think these are, we need to do something. Looks like we got a little assembling to do. That one feels pretty light. Heavier. Looks like there's some rocks or something in there. Let's see what this is all about. This is the filter, and the directions say that this filter should be cleaned at least once a month. Just comes out of there like that. You get the thing on and off. Looks like it's got 2 sets of blue snaps that you need to unclip to pull that off of there. Right when I got this thing, these things were kind of rattling around in here from shipping, and so not to worry, they're not broken. Maybe the rocks, these things contain little rocks and stuff in there. If those are out, just put them back in here, not to worry. But these things actually will kind of snap in a little bit down here. You can see this. I'll just kind of start with this one. It takes a minute, it takes a little feel, but it'll snap. Right there we go. Snaps back in there. Now what you can do, you can leave this out if you only want to use the fountain function. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here for demo purposes. I don't plan on using it as a pump necessarily, but I might in the future to maybe pump out the pond if we need to change out the water. Okay, now as far as the different functions on the head, each of these is gonna do something different. But it also comes with one right up here, so you wanna hold this still here and just unscrew this top part. And it'll come out and you can swap it out. Pop that one out. It looks a lot like these ones. Just take this one. I'll put it right down in there. Screw that in. Okay, now I've got that thing buried. I just kind of want to show you, I've only got it filled up a certain height right now, just because I kind of wanted to show you the pump functions and how to switch it back and forth and what that looks like. I'll go ahead and plug this in. Okay, now to tighten it or loosen it, you got to grab this part with one hand, and then you're just messing with the top. Okay, so if it's loose, the looser you get it, the less of a plume you get. You tighten it down. Go ahead and tighten it down all the way here. I'll show you. Yep, you get a larger umbrella. Oh, that's nice. Now if you want to switch to a pump, you can turn it off, but I'm going to go ahead and switch to the pump mode right now. I'm just going to flip this little switch here. And you can see pumping right out of there. So it'll pump from down here. What you'd want to do is like hook up a hose or something to this end. Just pop it on there. You just hold this and then screw it in. That's good, honey. Thank you. Screw it down if you want a bigger umbrella.